Oh, there's a cat.
What's going on, guys? So as you can see, I'm doing laundry because I kind of have to. It's Sunday, so getting ready for the week. But I'm starting this off a little bit late, and it's late being it's like almost noon. But just kind of hanging out, doing some stuff. I'm editing a video right now that I should be posting in the next day or two. So be on the lookout for that. It's nothing too major. It's just going to be a another install repair video for the Fiesta. So if you want to check it out, please be sure to do that. Today, my plan is to actually give the Mazda a wash, being that it's been raining pretty much non-stop since we got it like over a month ago. So I've been meaning to wash it, give it a nice coat of wax, and just try to maintain it as much as possible because, you know, detailing company as well, so got to maintain appearances. But that's the plan. And then later on, my cousin has actually wanted me to take him out in the Fiesta. And obviously I've told him, like, I got some suspension stuff. I just want to figure out, I don't really want to mob on it until I get it figured out. As you guys know, I got it figured out. So I am going to go over to his place later and take him for a little test drive. So hopefully he has fun in it. He's already heard the car. So he loves it. I mean, he loves the way it looks, and he's a big car guy too. So he should have a blast, and I'm probably going to record his reaction and just us driving around and stuff like that. So that'll be happening in a few hours. So after I'm done here with the laundry, I'm going to finish up a little bit of the video, start that getting uploaded, hopefully get that uploaded, and then come out here and wash the car. So I'll take you guys along, kind of like show you like a little bit of the process I go through with washing the car. I already showed it with the Fiesta a few months back, but this is going to be just a quick little, vlog detail. So stay tuned for that, and I'll catch you guys later. Okay, so just swapped in my laundry to the dryer, and I'm going to go get myself an energy drink before I start this detail, because I'm pretty tired. So yeah. I miss driving her. It's been a good at least a week since I last drove, and a little bit longer since she's driven quite well, or as well as this, because it's a little bit bummy during December, and all I was doing every time I drove, it was just me kind of on edge, kind of worried, but now it's just a blast. I love that sound. You guys have heard the sound clips I have, but nothing's better than the real thing. So some of you may be looking at my haircut, or lack thereof, and saying, Cody, your hair is looking kind of wild right now. It's looking not so fresh and clean. And you know what, you're right, it's not. But my barber is booked, or well, they're closed until Tuesday, and I'm booked on Monday and Tuesday for details. You guys might be thinking, well, why don't you go on Wednesday or one other day during the week? Well, I would. However, this Tuesday after my details, later in the afternoon, I'm actually heading to Nevada to go visit my mom. So that's why I'm not getting my hair cut done. Venturing out in my usual attire, flip-flops, and shorts. Alright, so I ended up getting 3 of these because the shell right here had a buy 2 get 1 free deal, so why not, right? Full time. Clean little Audi TT going by. It's the newer generation, so not that old, I don't even know what it's called, beetle bug looking thing. The old ones look like first new ones though, I'm really enjoying. I love the way this thing handles. All right, got my setup ready, got the car ready, got my bang ready, and I'm ready to go. So let's get to it. And look at the difference on this already, all right? Take this into perspective. I'm over here. Oh my goodness, look at that shine. It's not even dry yet. All right, so finally got the detailing done. I'm gonna finish up the waxing a little bit later, but I might even finish it up in the morning. It's just getting late. I am heading to my cousin's right now and gonna go show them the Fiesta.
Shitting myself inside your car.
Probably not. Hopefully not. Yeah, it's pretty nice. It's got ambiance lights.
Oh, look at that.
It's called the Fiesta for a reason. You're trying to party. Yeah, but like 300 estimated torque on this thing from the dyno to the crank. Dude. I mean, to the wheels it's like 270, 280, but still.
And how much does this thing weigh?
2,600. It was actually corner balanced and it came out to like 2,640. So yeah, it's quick. Yeah. Oh my goodness. I hate these roads.
Nice brakes.
Yeah, they work. Second gear pulls really hard though, if you get the boost right. Yeah, it's so tiny you can just take U-turns like it's nothing.
No, that's where my I got a big old heavy facade. It's like places where this thing can make a U-turn, I would have to do a 3-point turn.
All right.
Oh.
Man, you were coming around quick, bud. All right. All right, so what'd you think of the car?
I like the torque, especially in second gear. Aside from the bumps that we hit.
Yeah, I don't
seems
like
like
those either.
Seems like it locks in pretty solid into the turns, and excellent braking.
Alrighty. Yeah. Never going back there again.
Never go there again.
That's Death Valley. But, okay. Alright guys, so, pretty eventful day. As you can see right back here, my laundry is dry and ready to be folded. And we'll get to that whenever we get to that. But, we got the the business vehicle detailed, and well, half of it is wax. We'll finish that up tomorrow morning because, you know, California, or at least Sacramento, likes to get dark at 5 o'clock in the afternoon. So yeah, aside from that, you know, took my cousin out for test driving in the Fiesta, and he liked it. Obviously he didn't really have too much of a expression about it, but he told me that he enjoyed it and stuff like that, and yeah, he loved it. And as you guys saw, you know, the bumps, and yeah, I mean, it happens, but car's fine. Already checked it out, took it around. It's totally fine. So good thing, because I just do not feel like working on it again, at least not for a little bit. Give it at least a week. But anyways, today was a pretty eventful day. It's kind of chilled out. Have some details going on tomorrow and Tuesday, like I mentioned. But yeah, so anyways guys, thanks for watching again, and be sure to like the video, leave your comments in the comment section down below. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. I don't know why you haven't, but also ring the bell for notifications on content coming soon. And as always, guys, have a good one. Talk to you later.